Hi everyone, Chance here from Fairview Garden Center. Today we wanted to talk about going back to school, our college dorms. What kind of plants do we want to put in them in case we have a low light, in case we have different conditions than we are used to at home, or maybe even we're sending kids back to school and we just want to decorate our home offices with a little bit more color, a little bit more life to them. In front of us I have a few options, but there's a lot more to choose from, and we're just going to get into a few of these today. So just to start, we all really love pothos. This specifically is Marbled Queen. I've honestly got this in my bathroom that gets no direct sunlight. It's been great for a couple years now. Gives a really pretty white variegation, and the elongation of the stems is not too bad. One of my personal favorites, this is Neander Bella. It's also known as a parlor palm. It's also known sometimes as a bachelor palm, and for good reasons. I remember this when my grandmother had one in her house, and it was so dusty it looked like a fake plant, but the reason it could do that is it received no light, almost no care, and it still looked green and healthy. I love this plant if we just want to pop a green in our dining room. Well, we might not have a dining room in a college dorm. Next to our desk, if we just want a nice big pop, Neander Bella is great. Getting to be more popular for a little bit more dramatic look by the bed maybe is going to be our Raven ZZ. Great plant. This is a more mature size than you might see sometimes, but you get a really good leaf from it, good strong black nature to it, and the stems as they come out emerge a really nice lime green, so you get a great contrasting color if we're trying to color coordinate. Next on our list of easy to maintain low light plants, any type of snake plant. I've pulled Sayuri, for example. I've got this in my daughter's bedroom. She receives no direct sunlight, and I've not watered it in 2 years. Looks beautiful. It's a full-size plant. They do a really nice job of giving a great gray variegation, really neutral color to the bedroom. Probably the more complicated of any of our low-light dorm plants, maybe for a collector that's starting to go into college. A lot of our philodendrons, specifically our Aria philodendrons, they're going to do a really good job with low light conditions. They might need a little bit more care, a leaf snipped here or there. This is Philodendron Warzawecki, specifically Aria, and you can even see where we've got a little bleaching, but there's no problem. The plant is still beautiful, they grow great, and you get this really pretty chartreuse color, and the leaves are magnificent. When they're fully sized, they'll be about 4 feet tall, about 3 feet wide, and you get this beautiful serrated leaf. Thank you for watching today. These were just a few of the things you can choose from. There's a lot of different types of snake plants. You've got black gold, you've got black dragon, there's a lot of finger snake plants, there's solid green ZZ plants that we're all familiar with. A couple palms that we can choose from, lots of pothos that just love low light conditions, and even a couple of our philodendron. If we wanted a brown or a silver, there's a lot of colors that we have to choose from. So we hope to see you soon, and we can talk a little bit more when you show up.